السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
God willing, today's lesson we are going to learn how to use ذلك and تلك in addition to هذا and هذه that we've learned in our previous lesson, inshallah ta'ala. As we've earlier learned that هذا means this and is used for masculine, and هذه is also this but used for feminine. Likewise here, ذلك is used for masculine while tilka is used for feminine, and they both means that. Take for example, here you say ذلك طالب, ذلك طالب, which will mean that is a student. ذلك طالب, that is a student. This you say ذلك قلم رصاص, ذلك قلم رصاص, that is a pencil. ذلك صديق, ذلك صديق, that is a friend. Don't forget, a male friend. Here you say ذلك مدرس, ذلك مدرس, that is a teacher, a male teacher. If you are referring to a female teacher, you say mudarrisa. We shall come to that. Now here you say tilka Maryam, tilka Maryam, that is Maryam. Reason being that she is a female. When you are referring to feminine, you use tilka. Here you say tilka sadiqatun, tilka sadiqa, that is a female friend. This is tilka haqibatun, tilka haqibatun.
What if I want to say that is not a pen?
Okay, that is not your level. You shall learn that inshallah very soon. Any other question?
Sir, how do I say a bag and a board?
That is a very nice question. You will say حقيبة وسبورة. Wa is a conjunction which means and. For example, you will say Musa wa Ahmad, Yusuf wa Ismail, Kitabun wa Kursi, and so on. Wa means and. Take note. Our period is over. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.